Mending broken fences. In this video, I'd like to show you a couple of points on how to mend a broken fence. This fence happened to be damaged during the storm of 2021 here in Portland, Oregon. So actually we've had the damage assessed. I give them a price. They put us out here and I got guys are on the job scene. They're tearing apart the existing fence panels, the posts, and if you notice up there on the back, that one panel back there had a was away from the post, so he's put a strap up there and screwed and he ratchet strapped that panel back into place. So he's had some hands free, so he can screw it in there while the other guy's tearing all the other boards off. And now it's time to get that set out of there. So you got to get it out. So he takes the shovel, digging around the existing set. Well, of course, the other guy's taking the boards off. So, we're rebuilding the fence panel. It's mending broken fences. Once he has dug around there, you can get yourself a rock bar, and you got to basically loosen that setup like a tooth in order to extract it from the earth. So he's going to go around with that rock bar all the way around the existing concrete plug down in there, and he's going to pull out the bowl pull here. And this is the only tool here in Oregon, as far as I know. I have two of them, one for each truck. And anyway, this is one of the best tools I have found, ergonomically correct to pull the fence plugs out of the ground with no problem. Once you have it all loosened up, it comes out with no problem. Look at that buck 50 guy like that pulling out a buck 50 concrete set like nothing. Anyway, and once you get your fence post set, then you can go ahead and start mending your broken fence. Again, mending broken fences.